Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 9 from sloka number 21. Te tam bhuktva swargalokau vishalam क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकौ विशन्ति एवन्त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्नाः गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते. Krishna is telling, after enjoying the pleasure of the heavenly realm, they return once again to the land of mortals. Those pursuing material enjoyment by adhering to the principles of the three Vedas achieve only repeated birth and death. Ananyaschintayanto mam ye janah paryupasate teshan nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemau vahamyaham. Those who devoutly worship me, always meditating on my transcendental form, I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. येऽप्यन्यदेवता भक्ताः यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेऽपि मामेव कौन्तेय यजन्त्यविधिपूर्वकम्. Those who faithfully worship other gods also worship only me, O son of Kunti, although they do it improperly. अहं हि सर्वयज्ञानां भोक्ता च प्रभुरेव च न तु मामभिजानन्ति तत्त्वेनातश्च्यवन्ति ते. I am the enjoyer and master of all sacrifices, but those who do not recognize my form fall down. Yanti devvrata devan पितॄन् यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्याः यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्. Those dedicated to the gods go to the gods. Those dedicated to the ancestors go to the ancestors. Those dedicated to the ghost go to the ghost. And those who worship me attain me. पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. If anyone with love and devotion offers me a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I will accept it. यत्करोषि यदश्नासि यञ्जुहोषि ददासि यत् यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, whatever austerities you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. शुभफलैरेवं मोक्ष्यसे कर्मबन्धनैः सन्न्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि. In this way, you will be liberated from the bondage of karma, both its favorable and unfavorable results, with your mind fixed on me, freed from all cycle of your action, you will reach me. Samoham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshosti na priyaha ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya mayite teshu chapyaham. I am unbiased towards all beings. I hate and I favor no one, but whoever worship me devotedly are in me, and I am in them. Api chet suduracharah bhajate mamananya bhak साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यग्गव्यसितो हि सः. Now, in this sloka, Krishna is telling that whoever, even if a person of very offensive behavior, is engaged in devotional service unto me, he is considered saintly and he is on the righteous path. क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा शाश्वच्चान्तिं निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति. He becomes virtuous and realizes lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee is never lost. मां हि पार्थव्यपाश्रित्य येऽपि स्युः पापयोनयः स्त्रियो वैश्यास्तथा शूद्राः तेऽपि यान्ति परां गतिम्. O Partha, all who take refuge in me, even the low-born, women, merchants, as well as the working class, attain the supreme goal. किं पुनर्ब्राह्मणाः पुण्याः भोक्ता राजर्षयस्तथा अनित्यमसुखल्लोकम् इमं प्राप्य भजस्व माम्. How much more in this the case for pure priests and saintly kings, having come to this temporary unhappy world, engage in service unto me. Manmana bhava madbhaktah madhyaji man namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktvaivam atmanam matparayanah. Fasten your mind always on me. Be my devotee. Worship me and offer obeisance unto me. Thus, absorbed in me alone, you shall come to me. That's what Krishna is telling to Arjuna in this sloka. Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Sauvade राजविद्या राजगुह्य योगो नाम नवमोऽध्यायः.